You've spent hours building a visually perfect web page layout, but when you load it up or share the link online, the browser tab just shows a raw file path, and the search result is an empty, broken link. The visual elements on the screen are fine. The problem is that your document is missing its brain, the head element. The head is where we store metadata, data about data. It is completely invisible on the page itself. The rule here is strict. The body is for human eyes, but the head contains instructions strictly for machines. Without metadata, a website is just a disconnected painting. It has no formal identity, no context, and no way to tell a browser or a search engine how to read it. New developers often confuse the main visual headline of a page with the document's actual background title. They sound like the same thing, but they handle completely different tasks. The H1 tag lives inside the body element. This is the large visible text that hooks the human reader as they scroll through the main canvas of the page. The title tag, on the other hand, belongs exclusively in the head. Notice how the main canvas doesn't change at all here. The title only shows up in the Browser tab, in bookmark menus, and as the clickable link in search engine results. The H1 talks to the person reading the screen. The title talks to the browser organizing the windows. Browsers don't inherently know how to display different alphabets or emojis. They need a translator, called character encoding, mapping your raw code to correct visual symbols. If you rely on an outdated standard like ISO 8859-1, the browser guesses wrong. Japanese text and modern emojis render as a chaotic mess of mathematical symbols and empty boxes. To fix this, we use a universal standard containing almost every character, UTF-8. By changing the charset attribute to UTF-8 in our meta tag, we force the browser to use the correct dictionary. The gibberish instantly resolves into legible text. Setting this character encoding should be the very first line of defense you write inside the head element on every single project to prevent data corruption. We can give search engines specific details using a flexible formula. Most meta tags rely on two attributes: name to state what type of information we are providing, and content to provide the actual detail. If we set the name to description, the text we type into the content attribute directly builds the preview card users see. This is exactly how platforms like Google generate the short summary below a link. Let's test the syntax. Pause the video and write a meta tag that designates the author of the page. We follow the exact same pattern. We set the name attribute to author and the content attribute to your actual name. Mastering these invisible meta tags is the only way to convince users to click on a link before they ever see the actual website canvas. Everything we've covered today forms the boilerplate, the mandatory starting structure you will build on for every web project moving forward. Together, these individual pieces combine to form a complete document head. We lock in the character encoding, name the browser tab, and define the search preview, all neatly nested together. The division of labor is strict. You design the body element so humans can experience your site, but you structure the head so that machines know how to load it. Writing clean HTML requires looking past the visual layout. By structuring this invisible data properly, you ensure your work is professional, discoverable, and ready